Good day, everybody. My name is Ms. Mabue, and I welcome you to today's Grade 10 Business Studies lessons. And our focus will be on the topic application of problem-solving techniques. All right, it says here, there are only two ways to solve a problem. One being stop dwelling and start doing. This is by Emily Urey. Right, our lesson objectives for today, it says here, by the end of the lesson, you should be able to explain the problem-solving cycle. You should be able to discuss problem-solving techniques. Well, we'll be focusing on the 4 techniques: the nominal group technique, brainstorming, force-field analysis, and the Delphi technique. These are the problem-solving techniques that we'll be focusing on. And thirdly, you should be able to explain how businesses can apply the problem-solving techniques to solve business problems. So this is the application. Then lastly, you should be able to identify the problem-solving techniques from the given scenario. So identification is very important. Don't forget the techniques that we're referring to. They're there above, those 4 techniques. All right, so as usual, we've got our concept map and a journey that we'll be basically taking together. So in our journey for today, as mentioned, that our topic is the application of the problem-solving techniques. So we should know the meaning of the problem-solving. Then we'll speak about the problem-solving techniques. Over and above the techniques, we will also be focusing on the applications of these techniques. All right, so this is what is expected of you. You should know this, the pre-knowledge. This is what you should know right now as you sit at the. You should be able to explain the following concepts: problem solving steps, and problem-solving techniques. As you can see, those are 3 concepts that are different. All right, let's try and assess the knowledge and see if you understand, if you are able to elaborate on the meaning of problem solving. This is not a new word. You've done this before. So how would you define problem solving? It says here, it is the process of finding solutions to difficult or complex issues. Very important, the process of finding solutions to difficult or complex issues. Or you can also say it's alternative solutions that are generated or identified and critically evaluated. Don't forget, when you evaluate something, you're assessing it, and when you're assessing it, you're looking at both sides. You're looking at the negatives and the positive side of that issue or whatever that you're assessing. All right, these are the new words that we are going to be learning throughout this lesson. The first one being brainstorming. Right, with brainstorming is a group activity to find a solution for a specific problem by gathering a list of ideas spontaneously. Don't forget, a group activity. Secondly, we'll be looking at the force-field analysis. I hope you can hear. I'm not saying force-field, I'm saying force-field analysis. Right, it is a technique that is used to determine the forces that are for and the forces that are against a decision. So we'll be looking at the negatives and the positives of a decision. That's what a force-field analysis is all about. Right. Thirdly, we're looking at the Delphi technique, which is another word that we'll be learning in this topic. It's a method that relies on a panel of experts to find a solution to a problem. Lastly, we'll be looking at the nominal group technique. This technique is used to avoid the disadvantages of group discussions. So these are the new words that we'll be learning in this particular lesson. So we're going to take a quick ad break, and when we come back, we start off with our journey on the topic application of problem solving techniques. I'll see you just now.